how to contact Klarna support. If you decide that you'd like to contact the customer service for some type of matter that you might have, it is quite simple to do so because you can do it right within the app. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Klarna application, and this is the type of interface you will see. From here you have to simply come to the U option that you can see from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on the U option from the bottom right, you can see the gear icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. So tap on the gear icon from the top right, which indicates the setting icon, and right at the top you can see an option that says customer service. So all you have to do is tap on that customer service. You'll be taken to the page where you can either contact them, or you can also go ahead and send them an email or call them directly. This way you'll be able to contact Klarna customer support. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.